Let's randomize the field.
And yet again, we will not see any gold minerals in the center.
No change then. It looks like the field resetters have once again gotten their what seems to be a 50-50 guess correct. Without further ado, I think we should get this match started. In 3, 2, 1. 10-5-6-5 very quickly dropping themselves onto the floor. 11-5-5-6 making some violent noises and movements. 86-10 manages to separate successfully while 89-49 stays latched on.
And 86-10 successfully samples their mineral.
They're getting real close to that wall. They managed to avoid 11-5-5-6 robot and have almost perfectly dropped it right into the field.
And they get very close to parking.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Let's see how these teams perform in
3,
tie-up.
2, 1.
And we begin. 89-49 starts by lowering themselves off the lander that they stayed on during that autonomous period.
And while they're doing that, 86-10 moves to score some gold in their lander.
86-10 bringing home the gold. Oh, they were almost set up to drop it, but it doesn't look like they did. They're going for it again.
And it's no good.
2 gold dropped into the silver side. That's unfortunate, but it looks like they're picking up another pair to go for it again. 10-5-6-5 getting set up again. It looks like they've got a lot of wires hanging down there. That could prove dangerous to their bot. 89-49 managing to score a silver and a gold.
And of their 2 they attempted to score, 1 is good, the other is not.
11-5-5-6 working to corral more minerals into that depot as 86-10 starts to move to pick up those silver minerals and hopefully gets them in the right side this time. 86-10 scores the 2 silver minerals into the lander, while 89-49 goes in with 2 gold, dropping them in on the red side. We're seeing a lot of play around the lander today. 20 seconds to the end game. 86-10 looks like they've picked up, they picked up 3 gold but dropped them. Looks like they're going in again to pick it up.
And while they're attempting to pick that up, 89-49 is continuing to score gold minerals, but they accidentally overshoot on one of them, scoring into the blue silver depot.
And we begin the end game. 86-10 staying on, scoring those gold minerals. 10-5-6-5 looks like they're lining up to hang.
And 89-49 goes in to score 2 more, and they're good.
It's hard to tell, but it looks like 11-5-5-6 seems to be malfunctioning. 86-10's dropping another. 10-5-6-5's lined up.
And with just 8 seconds left, it looks like we will have
10-5-6-5 hangs.
3 of our robots hanging.
And that's the game. 11-5-5-6. The only robot, it seems, not trying to hang.
And we have scores up. The Red Alliance wins with a score of 209 points.
2 Blues, 175. This takes 10-5-6-5 up into first place. And it does indeed look like that extra hang at the end for the Red Alliance is what really put them over the top.